multiplication of algebraic expression, that is multiplication of monomial by monomial, binomial by monomial and binomial by binomial. Now in this lecture we are going to study the practice set based on this. Okay, now first question, multiplying 16x into 18y. Now in this case 16 into 18, first we will write, coefficient will take, then x into x we will take, x into x, y into y. Okay, we will take like variable. Now 16 into 18, what answer you will get? 16 into 18, who will tell me the answer? You can multiply and you can check it out. Now see, if for this, how to multiply? 16 into 18. Okay, so what you will multiply? If you are don't know the table, what you will do? First you will write 0. You will multiply with 1. So 160. Then I will multiply with 8. 8 6 are 48. Carry 48. Carry 1. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Okay. Now you will add 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. So 16 into 18, how much you got? 288. Into x, x square. Y into y, y square. So your answer is 288 x square, y square. This is the first sum. Now we will see the second one. Second one is 23xy square into 4yz square. Now, first we will bring the coefficients. 23 into 4. Then I will write x, then y square, then I will write y into z square. Now, 23 into 4. So again you can do it over here. 23 into 4. 4 3s are 12. 2 carry 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So 92x as it is, because not other x variable. Now y square into y. It will become y cube into z square. So your answer is 92x y cube z square. Now we will go for third question. Third question is 12a plus 17b into 4c. Now this is binomial into monomial. So 12a into 4c we will write, correct, plus 17b into 4c. Now I will bring the write the coefficient. 12 into 4 into a into c plus 17 then into 4 into b into c. Now 12 4s are 48. A C plus 17 4s are 68. B C. So your answer is 48 AC plus 68 BC. Now further addition is not possible. Why? Why it is not possible? Because they are unlike terms. Now we will go for the fourth one. Fourth question is 4x plus 5y into 9x plus 7y. Now this we will do by both the method. First we will do vertical, 4x plus 5y into 9x plus 7y. Now first I will be multiplying with 9x. So 9 4s are 36x square plus 9x into 5y. 9 5s are 45 x y. Now I am multiplying with 7y. 4x into 7y. 7 plus 7 into 4, 28 x y plus 7y into 5y. 7 5s are 35 y square. Now we will add 36x square plus 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. X y plus 35y square. Now same thing we will do with the horizontal method. That is 4x plus 5y into 9x plus 7y. Now I will multiply 4x into 9x plus 7y plus 5y, okay, into 9x plus 7y. Now 4x into 9x plus 4x into 7y plus 5y into 9x plus 5y into 7y. Now 4 into 9 into x. This I have done. Now I will take this plus 4 into 7 into x into y plus, now I am taking this 5 into 9 into y into x plus 5 into 7 into y into y. Okay, now 9 4s are 36. X into x square plus 7 4s are 28 x y plus 5 9s are 45 x y, or y x also you can write, plus 7 5s are 35 y square. Now 36 x square plus 28 plus 45. 28 plus 45. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So 73 x y plus 35 y square. Now if you see there, both the answers are same. Whether you multiply horizontally or vertically, you will get the same answer. This is what is the question number 1. Now we will see the last question of this exercise, that is a rectangle is, now the rectangle which is given, rectangle is 8x plus 5 meter 5 centimeter long, means 8x plus 5 is the length of the rectangle, and 5x plus 3 centimeter broad, find its area. Now rectangle, what is the formula of area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So we will see that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay. Now what is the length here? 8x plus 5 centimeter into breadth is 5x into 5x plus 3 centimeter. Now I will multiply it like this. Now see, 8x plus 5 into 5x plus 3. So now 8x into 5x plus 3 plus 5 into 5x plus 3. So 8x into 5x plus 8x into 3. Now plus 5 into 5x plus 5 into 3. into x plus 8. Now see here. Here I will take the coefficient 8 into 3 into x. Okay. Plus here also 5 into 5 into x plus 5 3s are 50. Now next 8 5s are 40. X into x, x square plus 8 3s are 24x plus 5 5s are 25x plus 50. Now if you see here, these two are like terms. So we will add 40x square plus 49x plus 50. So what answer you will write? Area of rectangle is 40x square plus 49x plus 15 centimeter square, because centimeter into centimeter, so you got centimeter square. So that ends your practice set 35. Okay. Now in the next lecture we are going to see equations in one variable. That is the last part of the topic that we will be taking. Okay. Thank you.